Hi everyone, this is Mary from the Hover product team, here to give you a quick overview of our new project details page in Workspace and how this can help you go from 2D design to 3D design, measurements, estimates, proposals, and more. So I'm going to give you a quick overview today so that you can navigate very efficiently for all of your projects. So this is the new project details page. Hopefully you're getting familiar with this already. You can see here we've got easy access to our save designs in 2D, our 3D designs and model, our measurements, estimates, proposals, and photos, as well as, of course, the same abilities you've had before to export files related to this job or share with your teammates or homeowners directly. So I can jump in via these three top cards directly into different modes within Workspace. So I can jump directly into 2D design, which is the AI-powered design. I can go directly to my 3D model in design mode, or over here at 3D will take me to the 3D measurements mode within our 3D model. So for the full flow today, I'm going to start us over here with design by clicking Start Designing, which will take us to the instant design or 2D design tool. So if I come in here, I can either click scroll through to find some inspiration, or if I click design, that'll allow me to customize my design directly. So in this case, as you can see here, I can just scroll on the side to find different materials that I would like to apply. And that will apply it to my model. So in this case, I'm adding a siding product. I'm also going to add a roofing material. And at any point, you can actually search for specific materials or access our filters here, which will allow you to find specific types of materials, colors, brands, etc. So at this point, I've got both a wall material and a roof material. And what I'm actually going to do is move to 3D, which is a 3D model design mode. And so you'll see in this case, it's actually transferring my materials from 2D to 3D. I am going to continue with those materials because it was automatically matched to the 3D model. So if I continue with those materials, you can see they've now been applied to my house. And so I've got both that siding product and the roofing material. From the 3D model here, I can also go in and add or update more of those materials. Let's say, just some quick changes to those materials here. Maybe on the walls, I want to make all of them that Arctic white. Here we go. So now all of those have that same consistent material. If I want to go into measurements directly from here, I can go back down to this feature switcher, click measurements. What I'm going to do is actually save this project and so that those measurements reflect the material changes that I've made. And now you can see that I am in measurement mode. I can scroll through to see the different types and trades for measurements. And then I can go back to 3D, where if I go over here to review materials, again, I see my walls, I see my roof product, I can start an estimate. So the exact materials that I applied on the 3D model are ready for me to pull into my estimate. It automatically is going to take those materials to the templates that we've already got within Hover, so that if I go in here, I don't have to do any extra work, right? It's already mapped to the Timberline GAF template. I can go back, same with the hardy plank here. I click create estimate. It's going to prepare my estimate, which will then be ready for me with all of those individual line items. And if I have unit costs added to my personal orgs templates, those will show up here so that I can easily create a full estimate for my project. All right, so that is how you go from 2D to 3D to estimates within your project. We're really excited for this new workflow. Please reach out to our support team if you've got any questions.